Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another tag for the Year of Julie Nutting tags, hosted by Donna, who's powered by Creativity, Sparkling Char, and Karen Small Crafting. Um, so this month we're doing for April, so it is Easter, um, and this is my tag. I used this Julie Nutting doll, and it's Bunny, and it comes with these dies, which makes it so much easier to paper piece the dress. I could cut out the whole bunny, and then it came with, I believe, a dress die, the carrot and the cabbage or the lettuce, and this was a really fun set to play around with. Okay, I used these papers. I used quite a bit of different ones. This is from Hobby Lobby, the Country Road. I used the brick for the background, and then I used this plaid for her dress, and then I used the eggs in this set. I was going to use this paper pad for her dress, but I don't know what was going on. I couldn't make it work. Um, so that was the paper, and then I used these dies. This is a trellis die from Gina Marie Designs. The first time cutting it, it was a bit tricky. It wouldn't cut through. And with these intricate dies, I used a couple shims to make sure that it cut through, and it cut through pretty good. And then I used this die from, what is it, Tereese? Yeah, Tereese, and it's the ivy border. I've had in my stash, and I think that is it. So the paper I used was the brick paper, and I just laid it down. Now granted, it is not a full 12 by 12 sheet, so I had to cut them down and layer them up, but you can't even tell where I did that. I painted the tag white with acrylic paint. And I also kind of did the edges of the tag. Now, I think I might have did this tag a little too narrow. I think it was supposed to be 3 1/4. So I'm missing a whole quarter part of this, because I think this is a 3 1/2 by 9 1/2 tag, but that's okay. It works. The fence I used was this. I was going through all my chipboard and wood pieces, and I found a couple of these, and I was like, oh, this is perfect. This is something I kind of want to, use on my tag. So this is definitely a wood piece, and I painted it all white with acrylic paint. I don't even know where I should begin. I used, okay, at the top, I used just some ribbon and gingham ribbon from my stash. I also used some Michael's pom-pom trim. I also used it on the doll as well. And this bow is also from the Michael's trim. The sign says Easter Blessings, and I used this stamp set from Craft Smart, and I believe I got this from Michael's. And then I used my stamp that I've used. This is a Stampin' Up! Stamp, and I add some speckles to the sign. Um, I kind of layered the doll up so it's thicker with pink cardstock and white cardstock. And then I added the palmed horn trim to her sleeves and to her dress. And then I cut the dress out. It looks really cute, and she's my pink little bunny. There's the trellis in the background, and I left some of the diamonds, I left it in there. I could have punched them all out, but I thought it just added something. And here is the ivy border, and then I also added it to the fence. Okay, this is a die from, I think, from Ally that I used. This is a border punch. I thought, yeah, it's a Fisker's grass punch. I used that. These are stickers from Jolie's that I added to the vine. Here are the little eggs on the bottom. Here's some more pom-pom trim. I just really like how this tag came about. It is so adorable. I added the basket onto the fence just to say she's done for the day. So she laid her basket down with some eggs, and she's just enjoying the day, I guess. But I really love how the trellis came out and the fence. I think it's very, very pretty and I even popped it up on some dimensional so it's not laying on top of the doll. I got that tip from my friend Nada, who's Nada Creations here on YouTube. And then in the back, I just layered some pattern paper. This is digital paper that I got on Etsy, and I punched out this border, which is an old Stampin' Up! Lace punch, I guess, border punch. And then I added the information on the back for my partner, and I just love how this turned out. It is so adorable, and I hope everybody likes it. I hope my partner likes it, and yeah. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.